Don't with my love, that heart is so cold, all over my own. I don't wanna know that, babe. Don't with my love, I told her she knows. Take aim and reload. I don't wanna know that, babe. Don't with my love, that heart is so cold, all over my own. I don't wanna know that, babe. That babe, know that, babe. That babe, babe, that 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 babe. Don't with my don't with my Josie's on a vacation far away, curled around and talking over. So many things that I wanna say. You know I like my girls a little bit older. I just wanna use your love tonight.
Siyempre, as store manager ka ng 7-Eleven, first of all, kailangan mag-umpisa sa yung initiative, then motivated ka, nag-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo. And kailangan, as na monitor mo yung store, kailangan na monitor mo rin pati yung clerks. Kasi may nag-monitor din sa'yo. Ganun. Kasi dito, marami silang magiging customer eh. Malapit sila sa school, sa church, malapit din sila sa sa establishments. Kaya ay maraming hatak na customer. May inventory kasi mag-inventory kami, kailangan meron kaming fast moving tsaka slow moving na products. So, ang orderan mo lang is yung mga fast moving tsaka yung kailangan orderan kasi meron sinisend sa amin na na kailangan yun yung laman ng tindahan. Yan yung mga products na to na hindi naman kailangan sa tindahan, pull out. Parang ganun. Kailangan yung first pa lang sa packaging, ganyan, sa expiration date, tapos yung pinaka-quality niya. Siyempre, sa delivery pa lang, mag-receive pa lang, doon pa lang sine-check na kung okay ba tong product na to or hindi. And kapag hindi okay, hindi na siya dinidisplay or para wala nang makukuha ang feedback na pangit kay customer. Malaki tinutulong yan. Siyempre, first sa calculation, hindi na mahihirapan yung mga clerks sa mga items dito. Then, doon mas monitor yung galaw ng tindahan kung kumikita pa siya or hindi, baka lugi na. Pagka ganun, pinapalitan na lang namin as long as may may receipt sila. Kasi minsan maraming, alam mo naman, no? Maraming nanloloko dyan. Tapos na may receipt, papalitan namin. Pero pag alam naman namin na nanggaling talaga yung customer nito, then yun yung nabigay namin, pinapalitan na lang namin ng bago kaysa umabot. Basta wag masyadong maraming stock and naka-display. Nasa planograms, ganyan. Meron kasi kayo mga planogram na sinusunod. So, kahit slow moving siya, basta naka-display siya, okay siya. Then, may plus selling naman. So, nakakatulong yung plus selling for recommendations na ito na lang po. Yan yun. At least kami bili yung
Turn up the speakers.
yung planogram, ito, nakasulat yung name ng product, kung ilan yung content niya, tapos yung price, tsaka yung barcode. Then, kung ano yung pwesto niya, dito nakasulat, tsaka yung validity. Ito yung planogram. Yung plus selling naman, for example, parang may hinahanap si customer na product, then wala to. Ma'am, ito na lang. Ganyan. Kaya, yung additional, lahat ng, for example, yung mga nasa harapan, ang plus selling product dyan, yung parang nasa light is mapapansin.
Smash the kick down, turn up the speakers. Turn up the speakers. Smash the kick down, turn up the speakers. Turn up the speakers.